This is anything that is loud. Everybody's been asking about my horns, wanted to see up close picture, my setup and everything. All I have is a video of far away, how they sound. This is my setup here. Mounted right on the cap of my roof. I have a York 210. I got it mounted there. It's adjustable and everything. It is running on V-belt. I've got an older V-belt pulley mounted inside my serpentine pulley, right on my crank. It's a 91 Chevy C1500. It's got a 5.7 or 350. Pressure switch, on and off. I always leave it on. I've got a switch inside my truck too. It just opens and closes the clutch there. Got a filter for the inlet. You can see it down in there kinda. Got a filter down in there. Dual alternators, that's something else. Batteries. Some other stuff, hydrogen. Horns are up there. Run 3/4 inch air line from my tank. My tank is an emptied out propane tank. I'm trying to get the camera to focus here. Emptied out propane tank there. I've got the 3/4 inch line running up to a ball valve inside my cap. I just reach back through my window to work my horns. Just got some other air line if I need to pump up tires or whatever here. And then 3/8 air line running from the compressor to the tank. I'll show you the ball valve. Pressure gauge over there, 0 to 300. I've got my pressure switch set to turn on at 160 and turn off at 200. Right there's my ball valve. And I'll give it a toot here. Pretty loud. This coming to you from anything that is loud. Thank you.